Your DJI Pocket might be recording great videos, but if you don't know how to zoom properly, you could miss capturing the perfect shot. Most users just rely on moving the camera until they realize the zoom feature makes filming much better. In this video, I'll show you how to zoom with your DJI Pocket. Let's zoom in right now. Method 1. Using the 5D joystick. First, turn on the camera, then look at the right side of the touchscreen. You'll see a small slider with plus and minus. Simply tap on it. Now push the joystick up to zoom in. Then push the joystick down to zoom out to return to 1x. Now if you tap on the slider icon again, you will return to the joysticks to controlling the gimbal's tilt and pan. Method 2. Using the touchscreen slider. Now again tap on the slider. Here you will see a small slider with plus and minus. Now drag your finger up or down on the slider to adjust the zoom level. And that's all. This is how you can zoom your DJI Osmo Pocket camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.